Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we have learned about nervous system and why do we need nervous system and their different parts of nervous system. Today we are going to learn a very important term, that is neuron. So what is a neuron? Neurons are the building blocks of the nervous system. So they are the building blocks of nervous system. The main function is to receive and transmit signals to different parts of the body. This is carried out in both physical and electrical forms. Okay, so in sense it is in sort of impulses sent. Okay, the impulses are sent from one end to another, and this is done by neurons. So today we are going to learn about the structure of neuron. So this is the structure of a neuron. All right, so first we'll start. All right, so a neuron varies in shape and size depending upon their function and location. Okay, it varies in size depending upon the functions. And so we'll start with first one. So the neuron has been divided into three parts: dendrites, the cell body, and the axon. All right, now dendrites. These are branch-like structure that receives messages from other neurons and allows transmission of messages to the cell body. All right, it is like this transmission of message. So it sends messages to different parts of the. All right, so dendrons, what it does is like one is this one, the small branches are dendrites. So one dendron and two, so two dendrons further divide into dendrites. So main function is transmission of messages. Now each neuron has a cell body, the whole thing. So cell body means it includes nucleus, Golgi bodies over here, endoplasmic reticulum, and mitochondria. Nucleus is the control center of the cell. All right, so and other components, various components. All right, including a very important component that is known as cytosol. It consists of cytoplasm and nucleus. All right, it consists of cytoplasm and nucleus. All right, it's cytosol. Now last one, we have the endings. All right, now we have is axon. This axon arises from the cytosol. It is a tube-like structure that carries electrical impulse from the cell body to the axon terminals. Okay, so to the axon terminals or the axon endings that passes the impulses to another neuron. Alright, so what axon does is a tube-like structure that carries impulses from the cell body to the axon terminals or the axon endings. Alright, that passes the impulse to the another neuron. Alright, so it ends and transmit the electric impulses to the axon endings or axon terminals. Alright, this knob is known as synaptic knob that helps in transmission of impulses. Now next is the outer covering of this axon is known as myelin sheath. Myelin sheath is a protective covering. So once again, the structure of neuron, it consists of dendrites. Then you have the cell body. It consists of nucleus, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, the other components, and you have the axon. All right, so this is all we are going to learn for today.